Hey, how's it going, guys? Kat Ray here. So today we'll be talking about with gardening, talking about zones. So zones are very, very important. So I help you beautify your yard, and man, I have fun doing it, so stick around. A zone is so extremely easy to find, but extremely beneficial. Just go on Google, type in growing zone with your zip code, and it will give you a number. I'm 7B, but that number will tell you details about your climate. It will tell you how cold it gets, how hot it gets. In 7B where I live, I get very freezing cold winters and also very dry, hot summers. So just knowing those details about the climate that I live, and then you finding out details about the climate you live, really will just help you be smart about the plants that you're planting, and so those plants can do the best and thrive. Because if I plant a plant that can't live through winters, I can still plant it, but I have to consider it an annual because it will die, and then I'll also have to plant it again. But there are definitely like flowers that I plant as annuals because I love them so much. So definitely find out your zone so you can plant the best plants for your yard. And remember, work hard, play hard, have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next project.